Blutbart.
Hello and welcome back to another behind the scenes toy photography video. This week I'll show you how to use a magnifying filter to take a close-up. I call this shot Darth Sidious. I'll also show you my editing process. The recently released Chancellor Palpatine figure has been a kitbasher's dream. It features two brand new head sculpts that can be easily swapped onto the Darth Sidious figure. As much as I love the Black series, the head sculpts aren't usually good enough for close-ups, so when a face this good was released, I knew I needed to take advantage. I started by creating a simple stage for my action figure out of a cinder block and a bookshelf. I used a dark surface so as not to reflect too much white light onto the figure. After posing my toy, I positioned my lighting. I placed two large soft boxes behind my toy at 45-degree angles to cast some backlight onto the robes and hood. I also placed a small spotlight with a blue gel and some barn doors directly beneath my figure to recreate the glow of the Force lightning. With the scene set, I took my shot. Here's my starting image. My main goal for this edit was to draw in the lightning effect with the brush tool, but first I added adjustment layers for levels, curves, and color balance. Next, I duplicated my base layer in order to do some dodging and burning in a non-destructive manner. After that, I used the brush tool to paint in the lightning effect. I used varying thickness and hardness to account for the depth of field, using a harder, smaller brush at the fingertips and a larger, softer brush in the foreground. With the inner and outer glow layer effects, I added the blue coloring to the edges. After that, I used a very small brush to add some fine detailing to the lightning bolts. To complete the look, I used the brush tool and layer opacity to add some yellow glow to the Sith Lord's eyes, evoking the intensity of the dark side. With a few final touch-ups, I was done. So once again, here's my starting image. And here's where I ended up. Thank you so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, please consider liking and subscribing, and make sure to check me out on Instagram. Thanks, and until next time!